So now let's see how we can work around with the auto layout feature inside of Figma. So to work around with auto layout, I'm going to go around, bring in a text, and then just go around and then bring in a text box. I'm going to say something like home for this one and turn it into an auto width. So now I'm going to copy this and drag this out and say about us right here. And then I'm going to go around, hold Alt and click and drag right here. And let's say this is going to be contact or so forth. So I'm just going to go around and say contact us right here. So let's say I want to continue adding this out right here, but I don't want to manually do this. Then what you can do is you can add something called auto layout. So you can select this and press Shift A on your keyboard and an auto layout frame is added up. So you can also go around and add a fill by clicking on fill right here. So if I were to copy and paste this, you can see that it creates the exact spacing. So I can add in something like portfolio right here, and I can go around over here, press copy and paste, Control C and Control V, and I can add in something like FAQ. So over here, you can see that there's the frame, and you can also go around over here and change out certain properties right here. So you can go around and let's say, for example, you want to add in some padding, so you can click and drag this. You want to arrange it horizontally, you can do that as well. And over here, you can go around right here and then arrange this out onto the center, onto the right, according to how you like it. And you can also set out individual padding over here, just like this. And that is what you have. What else you can also do is you can go around over here and make something like buttons. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go around onto rectangular shape, create this rectangle, maybe make it a rounded rectangle, go around and select out a radial gradient for this one. I'm going to go around over here and increase up the design right here. So I'm just going to go around right here, and there you go. There's a button right here. I'm just going to close this. You can see that this is a design. So I'm going to grab a text right here and say something like home right here. And you can go around, change around the text right here, go around, scale this out, and then drag this out over here as well. So you can see that there's a button. And now if I want to change this into an auto layout, I can easily do that. So if I were to go around and press Shift A, you can see that now the background of the button has been turned into a frame. So if I were to go around and type in about us, you can see that this button becomes dynamic now, as you can see. So you can go around right here, and then there's the frame. As you can see, I can copy and paste this, and you can see that this is another dynamic frame. So I can simply go around and say home, and the button resizes accordingly. Control C and Control V. You can say something like FAQ, and according to the text size, you can see that the button size changes just like that. And that is how you can work around with auto layout to have dynamic contents inside of Figma. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.